in my backyard, and I'm trying to find things that start with the letter T. I don't know if I can find any. I'm wondering if you can help me. I definitely see trees outside. Do you see the trees? There they are. Do you see anything else that starts with a T? T makes the t sound. You see something? What is it? You see something behind me? You do see something that starts with a T. A tent and a trampoline. What do you do on a trampoline? You jump or bounce. I'm gonna jump on the trampoline. Here we go. Count my jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jumping on the trampoline is really, really great. Good job counting. Do you want to go inside the tent? Okay, let's go. Gotta unzip it. Let's peek inside. Oh, I see toys. We'll go inside and then we'll play. So here we are inside the tent. It's pretty cool. We're outside, but we're inside. I love it. Here's the letter we're going to learn about today. Do you know what letter this is? That's right. It's the letter T. 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 T is the name of this letter. I wonder what kinds of things start with the letter T. Can you think of something? That is something that starts with T. Good thinking. Let's find out what else starts with a T. Can you see my eye? What am I holding? It's a picture of a tree. Tree starts with T. I'm also wearing something. Do you know what this is called? It starts with a T. It's a t. A tie. Do you know someone who wears a tie? Yeah, that's someone who wears a tie. Sometimes people wear ties when they dress up. Sometimes people wear ties for their job. Sometimes people wear ties just because they're fun and they look cool. I like this tie. I'm wondering if you can help me. I have a bunch of toys. Toys starts with T, and I want to find out if any of the animals in my toy box start with T. Let's look. What kind of animal is this? It's a monkey. That doesn't start with a T. Monkey starts with M. Let's see what's next. I see a bear. Bear doesn't start with T. Bear starts with B. Let's see what else I have. I see a dog. Dog doesn't start with T. Dog starts with D. Here's one. A penguin. Penguin doesn't start with T. Penguin starts with P. Do you know what animal this is? It's a frog. Frog doesn't start with T. Frog starts with F. What else do I have in here? Oh, look it. It's a sheep. Sheep doesn't start with T. Sheep starts with S. Do you know this friend that hops? A Kangaroo. Kangaroo doesn't start with T. Kangaroo starts with K. Here's a little friend. Itty bitty mouse. Mouse doesn't start with T. Mouse starts with M. Here's another animal. Let's see if it starts with a T. Do you know what animal this is? That's right. It's a turtle. Turtle starts with T. Great job. Do you love trains? You do? Great. I have a book that I'd like to read. It's called Trains Go. It's by Steve Light. Whoa, look at this big train. It says, the freight train goes squeak, clang, ting, bing, bing, bing. Those are some funny noises. Have you heard trains make noises? Look at that kind of train. The streamliner goes whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, it sounds fast. That train is going up the track. The mountain train goes trip, trap, puff, puff, trip, trap, puff, puff, trip, trap, puff, puff. Can you say that? Trip, trap, puff, puff, trip, trap, puff, puff. That's kind of fun to say. Whoa, the speed train goes. The old steam train goes clang, 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 toot, toot. Clang, 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 toot, toot. The diesel train goes zoosh, 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 ding, ding, ding. Zoosh, 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 ding, ding, ding. The big steam train goes chugga, 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 choo, choo. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. And the caboose, the end of the train, goes clickety-clack, 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 ding, ding, ding. Clickety-clack, 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 ding, ding, ding. The end. Let's sing a song about going on a train ride. And I need you to get your trains out. We're going to pretend our hand is a train. And our other hand, when we stretch it out, is our train track that the train is going to go on. It's going to go like this. Choo, 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 choo. Up the railroad track, move your train. Up the track, up your arm. Choo, 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 choo. And then we'll come right back and move it on down your arm. Then we're going to go to different houses. I'm going to pick up an animal, and that's going to be the house we're going to go to. Okay, it's going to go like this. Get your train ready. Choo, 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 choo. Up the railroad track. Choo, 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 choo. And then we'll come right back. First we'll go to Bear's house, and then we'll go to Kangaroo's house, and then we'll go to Sheep's house, and then we'll go to Froggy's house. Choo, 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 choo. Up the railroad track. Choo, 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 choo. And then we'll come right back. Whose house are we going to go to next? First we'll go to Penguin's house, and then we'll go to Dog's house, and then we'll go to Mouse's house, and then we'll go to Monkey's house. Choo, 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 choo. Up the railroad track. Choo, 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 and then we'll come right back. First we'll go to Turtle's house, and then we'll go to Raccoon's house, and then we'll go to your house, and then we'll go to my house. Choo, 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 up the railroad track. Choo, 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 and now we've come right back. I have another story I'd like to read. Do you know what this animal is? It's a shark. You're right. The shark doesn't start with T, but this book is called Don't Eat the Teacher. Don't eat the teacher. Oh, let's find out what Sammy Shark does in the story. This is a story by Nick Ward. It's pretty funny. Hurry up, Sammy, his mother called. You'll be late. Sammy dived downstairs for his breakfast. It was his first day of school. He was very, very excited. Hurry up, Sammy, his mother called. You'll be late. Sammy dived downstairs for his breakfast. It was his first day of school, and he was very, very excited. But when Sammy became excited, he had the unfortunate habit, as all young sharks do, of biting things. Sammy opened his mouth and crunch. Let's say crunch together. Can you make a big shark's mouth with your hands? Crunch. Great job. Oh, Sammy, complained his mother, don't eat the table. Sorry, Mom, blushed Sammy. He grabbed his school bag, kissed his mother, and swam out the door. Be a good boy, Sammy, cried his mother. Sammy and his dad drove down the street to Sammy's new school. In the playground, a group of children were playing tag. Excellent, cried Sammy, and he dashed off to join in. You're it, shouted a shrimp. You're it, cried a cod. You're it, howled a haddock. Sammy opened his mouth and what do you think happened? Crunch! Let's see if you're right. You're right, crunch. Oh, Sammy, the children moaned. Don't eat your school friends. Sorry, blushed Sammy. He hiccuped politely, and out swam a little fish. The bell rang, and all the fish swam off to their classroom. Good morning, children, beamed the teacher. Let's start the day with a really good story. Excellent, thought Sammy, flapping his tail in excitement. Here we are, said the teacher. Here's a story we can really sink our teeth into. Sammy opened his mouth and crunch. Oh, Sammy, cried the children, don't eat our story. Sorry, blushed Sammy. Never mind, smiled the teacher. Let's try some painting instead. Splish splosh, Sammy loved painting. He was so excited, it was hard not to nibble his paintbrush. Finished, he called. Sammy, that's lovely, said the teacher. It looks good enough to eat. Sammy opened his mouth and crunch. Oh, Sammy, groaned the teacher. Sorry, blushed Sammy. Never mind, said the teacher, giving him a cuddle. It's music now. Music and movement, called the teacher. As I play the piano, I want you all to pretend you are seaweed, swaying in a gentle current. I'm seaweed, thought Sammy, drifting and stretching as elegantly as he could. The current's getting stronger, sang the teacher. The children started to dance even faster. Sammy started to get excited. Now you are a storm, the teacher cried. A terrible storm destroying everything in its path. I'm a terrible storm, Sammy yelled. He opened his mouth and crunch. Sammy, stop, yelled the children. Don't eat the... Oh dear, thought Sammy as he got ready to go home. I didn't mean to. Tomorrow I'll be good, really, really good. Hello, darling, said Sammy's mother at the school gate. How was your first day at school? Excellent, said Sammy. And what did you learn today? Lots, blushed Sammy. Don't eat the stories, don't eat the paintings, don't eat the classroom, and don't eat the teacher. Don't eat your teacher. Isn't that a silly story? Look at those fish swimming. Don't they look happy? Thank you for helping me with the crunch. Okay, friends, I have one more story for you. This is a good one. It's called Horns to Toes. Toes starts with T. Horns to Toes and In Between by Sandra Boynton. Oh, we've each got these horns right on top of our head, and we've each got 2 ears so we can hear what you said. And we've all got a mouth so we can eat, sing, or talk. And we've all got 2 feet so we can go for a walk. Yes, we've each got 10 toes, and we've each got 1 nose. And we've all got 2 eyes that can open and close. And we have a fuzzy tummy that we all like to pat, and a little belly button in the middle of that. Well, we've each got a back and a tail that is long, 2 very fine arms and 2 legs that are strong. We've got 2 handy hands, and our fingers count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can tickle, 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 or just count them again. You see our teeth when we grin. You see our tongues when it's hot. You can watch us shake and shimmy with whatever we've got. The end. Have you ever played the game or sang the song, Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes? Do you think we could do that? Okay, you need to stand up. I can't stand in the tent, so I'm going to sit down. You can sit if you want. Are you ready? Okay, when we say head, we're going to put our hands on our head. When we say shoulders, we're going to find our shoulders. When we say knees, we're going to find our knees. And when we say toes, what are we going to put our hands on? Our toes. That's right. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Can we do it faster? Here we go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Can we do it even faster? Here we go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Do you think we could do it even faster? Are you sure? Okay, here we go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yay! Great job. Thanks for helping me with the letter T today. Have a great day. Bye, friends.